CARLOCK is an easy-to-use solution for monitoring car security and location. It's a simple system that connects your phone with a tracking device in your car. It watches over your vehicle while you're away. The app alerts you of suspicious activity, like someone starting the engine, moving the vehicle, removing the CARLOCK device, or the car experiencing unusual vibrations. CARLOCK monitors troubling habits like harsh acceleration, hard braking, sharp cornering, and speeding. At the end of each month, the driver is given a report card. It also tracks your electrical systems and alerts you if the battery is running low or experiencing high drain. It takes a lot of trust to lend your vehicle to someone. Now, you can easily track routes your vehicle has taken with an extremely powerful GPS. It's time to stop worrying about your vehicle.
The Cooluli Classic 4-liter mini fridge is a convenient and lightweight portable cooler and warmer. It uses green EcoMax technology to be energy efficient and ultra quiet without the use of any chemicals or gases. Use it anywhere to keep items cool or warm, such as food, drinks, snacks, beauty products, and more. Featuring a self-locking magnetic door handle, removable shelf and door pocket, comfortable carry handle, and easy-to-use controls. Its stylish design is perfect anywhere in your home, office, or on the go. Plug it into the wall for continuous power, into your car's DC adapter when you're on the road, or use our exclusive USB power cable to plug into your power brick and take it with you wherever you need to be. Keep your essentials cool or warm, at home or on the go, with the versatile Cooluli Classic thermoelectric mini fridge.
Night driving can be a struggle for anyone. Darkness limits our vision. Lanmodo Vest M1 Night Vision Dashcam offers ultimate night vision to make night driving as clear as day. With the 8-inch large screen presents bright images in high resolution. Lanmodo guarantees a crystal clear view in the dark. With the latest low-light imaging system and 7-layer glass lens, we have improved the night vision performance to a new level in total darkness, allowing you to get stable and clear images in various low-light conditions, whether in gloomy roads, dark tunnels, rainy days, or snowy nights. The separated front camera is adjustable to reduce the glare. The broader view angle and ultra-low view distance provide unparalleled depth of vision at night. The night vision rear camera allows easy driving and parking in the dark and in pouring rain. We offer 3 easy installation methods, which can be fitted in any car models. And the front camera can be adjusted to any angle as you need.
Hey Siri, use car fizz to send thanks. Hey Siri, use car fizz to send pedestrian ahead. Hey Siri, use car fizz to send turn off high beams.